Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about Riide. So one of the things I constantly preach about on this channel is to diversify your gig portfolio and to sign up for as many apps as possible. One of those apps that I've been made aware of recently is Riide. Now, I was asked in the comment sections of one of my videos about it to review it, and while I would normally say just email me about it for the shout out, I was morbidly curious about it. So with that said, we are going over everything that I can currently tell you about Riide, what they tell you versus how it actually is, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain, is never intended to be, legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. So with that said, let's get started. What is Riide? Riide is a groundbreaking decentralized application, DApp, that seeks to transform the taxi and courier industry by providing innovative alternative to conventional services. Operating on a Web3 platform, Riide implements a hyperlocal service model wherein the community takes ownership and governance. As a community owner, you will have the opportunity to not only share in the company's profits, but also actively participate in voting on the platform's development. This approach empowers the community and ensures that their voices shape the future of Riide. Okay, so for those of you who just heard a bunch of fancy words thrown in your face, let me play dictionary for a second. Web3 is a proposed next iteration of the internet that aims to be more decentralized and user-centric. It's built on blockchain technology and other concepts such as token-based economics and smart contracts. In short, crypto technology's latest upgrade. Now that said, this could also just be me paraphrasing and being totally outdated because I haven't really heard much about this prospect for a while. I'm not against, I'm not supportive. I am just compiling information about the app that can be researched, especially for the next few points. Now, from what I could tell, they haven't launched yet, but here are some points that they did bring up. After the launch of our application, you'll be able to conveniently download it from the Google Play Store to install it on your mobile device. However, until the app is officially released, you can still get started by completing our sign-up form. To proceed with the sign-up process, you will need a wallet address known as an account ID. Now, I was going to leave a link in the description to the sign-up form, but the sign-up form link that they provide just brings you right back to the main page. So I don't even think they have it all figured out yet. They also require you to have a crypto wallet, which is an interesting requirement to say the least, along with their cryptocurrency known as Riide tokens. Whether or not you can be paid in cash, I have yet to determine that. Either way, the rest of this application, there's not really anything to talk about on a more in-depth way because it hasn't launched yet. The only thing I could say about this app is that you should probably be a little bit more crypto savvy and Web3 savvy before signing up. I don't know much about this space, and it's really challenging for me to talk about it in depth because of the language I don't understand. While I was reading this, I was reminded of all of the times where somebody was explaining something to me that is a little bit more tech savvy and has very specific jargon, and I was not really able to understand it, so I'm just smiling and nodding like I'm supposed to know what you're talking about, and then I just walk out of the situation confused. If you are familiar with the crypto space and would like to delve into this vast world, feel free. I'm gonna leave a link to their page in the description. I'm not an expert in this area, so that's really up to you. Also, if you have a perspective on this in general, let me know in the comments, and let's make sure that anybody and everybody can make as much money as possible, so that way we can make the most amount of money in the least amount of time in the safest possible way. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.